Papa Ron coming to you from Northern California. Today we're going to show you how to change an air filter in a 2000 Tacoma with a V6. First you need to release the hood, and it's on the left side of the steering column up on the dash. And then we need to release the second hook, which is in the center. Right there. And put the stick up to hold it, the metal rod up to hold it. This is what the engine looks like. You've got the battery on the driver's side, the engine in the middle, and the air cleaner box on this side over here, which would be the passenger side. Okay, it has two little clips in the top that will release the little door, and you open it up and there's the air filter. You pull out the old one, check it with the new one, and we don't have the same one. That's a bummer. Okay, we're back with the right ones. We need to open the door again by opening the clips. Pull back on the filter a little bit and lift it out. And yes, it's the right one. And this box has quite a bit of dust and stuff in it, so we're going to wipe it a little bit. Then you put the new one in the same way the old one came out. And shut the lid. Make sure it's tight. Take all the boxes and old filters out of the engine. And put the hood down. Thank you for watching. Please leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet.